Good day guys, my name is Demola from Motocare and with me is Olaniro, he's also from Motocare. So today we're with Mr. Demola
First Car Solution Services.
So guys, join me on this journey to First Car Solution Services. This is going to be awesome. Hi guys, we're on our way to First Car Solution Services. We already started the journey. It was a very long journey, but we're finally there. We are finally there at First Car Solution Services. Soon enough you'll be seeing the workshop and you'll be meeting the awesome engineers. Join us and stay true. Alright guys, at First Car Solution Services, today we'll be going through some of the instruments our mechanics use because they are very reliable. So they use very important tools that we also need to be familiar with. So today I'll be handing over to Mr. Demola who will be introducing us to some of all these tools. So over to you, sir.
These are the jack that we use to raise the customer's car because we have all this to avoid using the customer's tools. This is a customer's jack.
So this is a jack?
This is a jack. We call it a hydraulic jack.
Hydraulic jack.
This is a 5. Because this is a 5 tons hydraulic jack.
5 tons hydraulic
jack. So we lift up from Jeep to coaster bus. You can see the bus here. This one you are using for the bus. This enabling us to fast track the work we are doing here. Because by all using the jack that follow those vehicles, those jack are not helpful jack. We call them an emergency jack. They are not what so.
Then what does this do?
Yes, after jacking the car up, these are the things that we use to raise the car. So for us to have a safety walk while walking under the car. So these are 6 tons. Why this one is 12 tons?
12 tons, 6 tons.
This is 6 tons and this is 12 tons to raise the car up.
Thank you very much. Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. If you liked it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And also please subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also follow us on Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn and Facebook. The link is in the description box down below. We'll be back next week Friday. Bye.